Hi guys, and welcome to Forkin Allotment. Today I'm going to be doing 6 easiest microgreens to grow. So the 6 varieties of microgreen I'm going to mention in this video are not only easy to grow, but you can have a harvest within 10 days. And some of them can be on your plate within 5 days of sowing. So growing these varieties will not only help you to practice your skills and gain confidence, but before you know it, you'll be growing microgreens throughout the year. So if you're new to microgreens, I will leave a link up here or over here to my microgreens playlist, so you can see my how to grow microgreens and my 10 best microgreens to grow videos. So firstly, we have radish microgreens. They are by far the easiest microgreen to grow. They will grow at normal room temperature. You'll have a harvest within 7 days, if not within 5 days. You should harvest them before the first true leaves appear, or before the first true leaves develop, for the best taste, and just the same taste as a radish, normal radish. Get the same peppery kick. Next we have broccoli microgreens. These are quick and easy to grow and harvest. Other than the flavour, broccoli microgreens are pretty similar to radishes. The seeds can be seen and moved around easily, and like radishes, broccoli can also broccoli microgreens are also harvested in cotyledon stage. Sorry if I said that wrong. Before the first true leaves develop. Broccoli microgreens taste like mild cabbage and are very nutritious. A lot of iron in broccoli. Thirdly, we have cabbage microgreens. Cabbage microgreens are easy to grow, but grow slower than the previous two. But you can still have a harvest within 10 to 14 days. The smaller seeds make them a little bit harder to sow, but the nutrition and health benefits are abundant and outweigh the difficulty of sowing. Also look out for red varieties, which can be particularly pretty on your plate. Next we have kohlrabi microgreens. Many people have never heard of, let alone grown or cooked or eaten, kohlrabi, and probably wouldn't know what to do with it. Kohlrabi microgreens are nothing like the mature plant. They taste like a sweet mild cabbage and add beautiful colour to salads, eggs and many other dishes. You can have a harvest in as little as in about 7 days with kohlrabi microgreens. So number 5 is rocket, or for you Americans, arugula microgreens. This microgreen is known for its peppery flavour, and it's great added to salads or scrambled eggs or to a hamburger mix. These take 7 to 10 days to grow and harvest. They are best harvested after the first true leaves appear, or the first true leaves develop. But be careful with overcrowding these microgreens, as they don't like it, and they won't get as much nutrition. So be careful when planting rocket or arugula, as you need to be careful of how many seeds you're planting into the drill that you've made. Finally, we have basil microgreens. Now, many people think that basil microgreens are challenging to grow. Maybe because they take 3 weeks to mature, if you wanted to grow it to a mature plant. Basil microgreens grow steadily, but not quickly. Although ideal temperatures of slightly over room temperature are better, and you can have a harvest of your microgreens within 14 days. The best thing about basil microgreens is that you can let them grow. In fact, many believe that the best time harvest these microgreens is between 20 to 25 days. Because of the slow growth of the plant, after 20 days, 25, between 20 and 25 days, they will still be in their seedling stage. If you give the seeds 3 to 4 days blackout period and let the seedlings root, and then give them plenty of light, you'll have no problem growing basil microgreens. So we can also, they're the main 6, but you could also try turnips, mustard and kale microgreens. They are also easy to grow. What I will do is I will pin a full list of all microgreens. There's over 100 microgreens that you can grow. I will pin it to the comment section of this video so that you guys can check that out, and if you want to get involved and get growing some of these microgreens, then please do so. I'll be happy if you also let me know, and maybe even, I've got a community up here, maybe even send me some pictures of your microgreens. But other than that, thank you for joining me. Please do remember to like, comment and subscribe. Do share this video if you wish to do so. But other than that, everybody have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and please do stay safe, stay happy and stay warm. I shall see you all in the next video, and yeah, that's everything from me. Goodbye.